Visual English 5. 1. Learn.
Where? Kitchen. Kitchen. Where is Jane?
She is in the kitchen.
Living room. Living room. Where is John?
He is in the living room.
Bedroom. Bedroom. Where is the baby?
She is in her bedroom.
Bathroom. Bathroom.
Where are you?
I'm in the bathroom. Garage. Garage.
Where's Mary?
She's in the garage. Backyard. Backyard.
Where are the children?
They are in the backyard. Parking lot. Parking lot. Where's the car?
It's in the parking lot.
Hospital. Hospital. Where's Dr. Smith?
He's at the hospital.
Supermarket. Supermarket. Where are you now?
I'm at the supermarket.
Park. Park. Where is my dog?
He's in the park with Jane.
School. School. Where are the kids now?
They are at school.
Number 2. Review. Answer the questions.
Where is Jane?
She is in the kitchen.
Where is John?
He is in the living room.
Where is the baby?
She is in her bedroom.
Where are you?
I'm in the bathroom.
Where's Mary?
She's in the garage.
Where are the children?
They are in the backyard. Where is the car?
It's in the parking lot. Where is Dr. Smith?
He's at the hospital. Where are you now?
I'm at the supermarket.
Where's my dog?
He's at the with Jean. Park.
Where are the kids now?
They are at school.
Number 3. Review with word first.
What is a kitchen?
This is a kitchen.
What is a living room?
This is a living room.
What's a bedroom?
This is a bedroom.
What's a bathroom?
This is a bathroom.
What's a garage?
This is a garage. What's a backyard?
This is a backyard. What's a parking lot?
This is a parking lot.
What's a hospital?
This is a hospital.
What's a supermarket?
This is a supermarket.
What's a park?
This is a park. What's a school?
This is a school.
Number 4. Test.
Hey, please remember? What is a kitchen? Kitchen. What is a living room? Living room. Where is the bedroom? Bedroom. Where is the bathroom? Bathroom. Where is the garage? Garage. Where is the backyard? Backyard. Where's the parking lot? Parking lot. Where is the hospital? Hospital. Where's the supermarket? Supermarket. Where's the park? Park. Where's the school? School. You did it!
Quer aprender inglês mais rápido? Inglês simplificado. Link na descrição.
Bye!